Hey, what's up, YouTube? Hey, just want to run something by y'all. Just maybe this will help y'all, help somebody. I don't know. I'm going to try and help somebody because can't help everybody, but I'm going to try and help at least one person today. So have y'all ever had headlights that were like real foggy, like had coating on it and stuff like that? Just real bad, right? Real bad fog lights. So I'm going to show y'all something. So let me turn the camera. So this headlight right here, I've already sprayed. It was real bad, and it was just real foggy. You can see some of the stuff working right there. I'm gonna show y'all something though. Show y'all a little secret, okay? Just so y'all know. But I did this one. This is how it comes out after you're done. This looks brand new. Actually, it looks really good, and I'm like impressed. And I'll tell you what started this. So I went to the store and purchased like 2 or 3 different kinds a few months back to use on my Infinity. I used it on my Infinity just to see what would happen. In the Infinity, I wasn't impressed. But then I was speaking to a good friend of mine. He gave me a couple of secrets before on some things. Old country dude, you know, from the country. Sometimes some country boys will tell you some stuff, and man, when you use it, you be shocked as a city boy when you don't know nothing like that. So let me go over here. I'm gonna get this stuff right here, and I'm gonna show y'all something. So let me spray it there. Oh, look, it is amazing. This thing is amazing. So look, guess what? I'm gonna wipe it down just so y'all can see it, right? Just so y'all can see the reaction. Look at this. Watch this. Look at this. Look at this headlight. This headlight is like brand spanking new. I'll go over here and take this piece off over here. You can just see how it worked, right? But guess what? This was like $3. This thing cost me like $3. You know what it was? Watch this. Y'all gonna be shocked. Just freaking bug spray or mosquito spray. As long as it's got that DEET, I guess. I don't know what does it. But whatever. There it is right there. There it is. Oh, I forgot who it was. Whoop, there it is. I don't know. But look, that was the tip for y'all for today. I just wanted to give it to y'all. I don't know. Maybe I'll give y'all some more. I don't know. I don't like giving up all my secrets because look, if I give up all my secrets, some people get mad. But it's all good. Hey, peace and hair grease.